In this next scenario, we have to configure this use case. It says display the total amount from won opportunities on a related account. So what we have to do is similar to the first use case. We have to check how many opportunities are there that are won, whose stage is equal to 1. Okay. And then from those opportunities, we have to add up their amount fields. Okay. We have to add up their amount fields and display it on the account record. Let me show you what I mean by that. So I'm going to navigate to a different account record. Let's select this one. All right, it has 6+ opportunities, right? It has 6+ opportunities. In total, it has how many opportunities? Like 10 opportunities. Out of those 10 opportunities, this one, this one, this one, and this 2, they are closed won, right? So our requirement is asking us to add the amount field for all the opportunities whose stage is closed won. So our field would add this amount to this amount, and then add that to this amount, and add it to this amount, and then these 2. Add all these amounts and display the sum on the account record. So we have to add all these amounts, right? I just filtered this by the stage, so that will help us easily see what we're adding. So we have to add all of these amounts and display it on an account record. Why we're selecting only these accounts? Because their stage is closed won. We're not interested in other opportunities if their stage is different. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So again, we go to this account object, fields and relationship, and then click on new, select roll-up summary field, data type, click next, and give it a meaningful name. So I'm going to say total opportunity amount. And to add more clarification, I will include this part in the help text. Click next. So in this scenario, previously we used the minimum function. Now we're going to use the sum function. Sum is the same thing as a total. Okay, summarized object, we're going to select opportunities and then click sum. And what are we summing? We're summing the amount. Okay, are we checking the amount field for all the opportunities? No, we have specific filter. We have to consider only those opportunities whose stage is stage equals closed won. Okay, and then let's click this button, then click next. Make this visible to these 2 profiles. Click next. Add it to all the page layouts and save. Now I'm going to go back to the account, right? So the account that is related to this opportunity, and it was this one, right? United Oil Gas Corporation. So click on that account, and it has currently 6 accounts, right? 6+ accounts. To be exact, it has 10, right? 10 opportunities. And let's go to the details section and then find our roll-up summary field. The previous field is still over here. So even though you create this, once you create this roll-up summary field, it is going to get displayed on all the account records, right? So let's do a refresh so that we can bring our field or get it displayed on this page. All right, so I still don't see it. So the name was saying total amount or something, right? So let's do a hard refresh. Okay, here it is. Total opportunity amount and help text is also added here. So the amount says the total opportunity amount, total amount of all those opportunities whose stage is closed won is equal to $2,100,000. So let's go back and calculate that ourselves. Okay, so those are contacts. Sorry, so we have to go to opportunities, check all those related opportunities, click view all, and add up these values, right? Add up those values. And if you add all of them up, the amount should be to whatever we saw on that page. All right. So that's how it gets calculated. Now, if you open another account, for example, let's go and pick this one randomly, and it has one account, right? And that account is not in closed won stage, and that's why that particular roll-up summary field will display nothing for that amount. Basically, it's displaying 0. All right, that's why it displays 0. But if I go back and change the stage of this opportunity to closed won, okay, change the stage to closed won, and then we will see that that roll-up summary field displays the updated value. See, now it says $16,000, right? It's not showing the minimum opportunity amount because we have only one. It doesn't have anything to compare, okay? So this is 16,000, which gets displayed on the account. So the question that we just received is saying, what if we want to consider only specific type of record types? So in our scenario, in my org, I have 2 different record types for opportunity. And if I want to consider or get the total opportunity amount for specific record type, then I could update my filter and select this value, whose opportunity record type, and set that equal to the opportunity that you are interested in. And you can select the available opportunities from that lookup field and select any opportunity record that you're interested in and insert it into that field. And click Save, for example. If I do this, it's going to change things. It's only going to consider the hardware opportunities whose stage is closed won, and then add up that total amount. Okay, so that's not part of this particular requirement. So therefore, I'm not saving it. So I'll just cancel out from here. But you could also filter them based on record types.